Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard glaze. First, gather your simple ingredients like Dijon mustard, honey, and a touch of apple cider vinegar. Next, combine them in a small saucepan. Gently heat the mixture over low heat, whisking continuously until it becomes smooth and warm. This initial step ensures all flavors meld beautifully before cooking. Now, let's get that glaze to the perfect consistency. Continue to simmer the mixture gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. You'll notice the glaze starting to thicken, transforming into a lovely, syrupy texture that's perfect for coating. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading and culinary inspiration, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your glaze has reached the desired thickness, it's time for a quick taste test. Feel free to adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your liking. A small pinch of salt can enhance the flavors, or a dash more apple cider vinegar can add extra zing. If you have any leftover glaze, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.